Want to remove characters from background like this? Let's get into the video. Select Mask tool and mask the character like I do. Try to select clips with less movements. Now choose mask path and change the mask in the places where character moves and fit the character inside the mask. Now open Content-Aware Fill panel and select Generate. Now if you want to make the character come and go, delete the mask from the layer. Do like I do. And you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys learned something new. See you guys in the next tutorial.